Hello and welcome to the Inspire Academy Elementary English class. This is Unit 16. Today we are going to discuss adverbs. We're going to learn all about adverbs. My name is Sarah. I'll be your teacher today. So what is an adverb? Examples of adverbs and adverbs of frequency are all things we're going to discuss today. An adverb is a word or a phrase that usually describes a verb. Adverbs make your sentence more interesting, and they allow you to give more information. They often answer the question, how? For example, how are these kids singing? These kids are singing nicely. These kids are singing beautifully. How is he driving? He's driving carefully. He's driving quickly. They give you a little bit more information about what is being done. More examples of adverbs. He ran quickly. They sing so sweetly. Fortunately, we arrived on time. He jumped quite suddenly. The scenery is incredibly beautiful. She often goes swimming in the evening. Adverbs of frequency. Here are some examples of adverbs of frequency. Always. Always means you're doing something 100% of the time. Often. Things you do frequently, but not 100% of the time. Sometimes, from time to time, you might do something. Rarely. Things you do not do frequently. Never. You do not do this thing. You do this thing 0% of the time. Here are some examples. Mary always wakes up in the morning. She often walks to work. She sometimes rides her bike. She rarely takes the city bus. Well, maybe she'll just take the city bus when it's raining. So, not that often, rarely. She never drives to work. Why? Because she doesn't have a car. Describe the video. Pick the correct answers. The children are spinning quickly. The mom swiftly spins the wheel. The mom always jumps on the wheel and spins with the kids. The kids always jump off the wheel while they're spinning. The children hang on tightly. The mom never spins the wheel. Which are the correct answers? And the correct answers are the children are the children are spinning quickly. The mom swiftly spins the wheel. And number 5, the children hang on tightly. Does the mom always jump on the wheel and spin with the kids? No. She does not always jump on the wheel and spin with the kids. Do the kids always jump off the wheel while it's spinning? No. The kids do not always jump off the spinning wheel. Is it true that the mom never spins the wheel? No, it's not true that the mom never spins the wheel. How does Mary get to work? Mary often blank to work. Mary sometimes blank to work. Mary rarely blank to work. Mary blank drives a car to work. Look at the calendar and answer the question. What does Mary do often? What does Mary do sometimes? What does Mary do rarely? What does Mary never do? Let's check the answers. Mary often walks to work. Mary sometimes rides her bike to work. Mary rarely rides the city bus to work. Mary never drives a car to work. And here is our review of adverbs. We looked at what are adverbs, examples of adverbs, types of adverbs, adverbs of frequency. Have a great day and see you soon.